بخير حاطين Kurdish lessons. Say hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons. So 3 weeks ago I shared a video, I uploaded the video called 50 daily phrases for beginners. It was the second video because I had done the first one years ago. So with your comments I see that you need more videos like this, so I decided to upload the third one. So in this video we are going to see one more, like 50 more daily phrases for beginners. I hope you enjoyed the video and like it, subscribe it. Okay, let's start. Yes, learn everyday Kurdish Kurmanji, 50 daily phrases for beginners. So this is the third one. Yep. Okay, so the first 10 sentences are about daily actions and feelings. Okay, so while I read these sentences slowly and then faster, I will take some notes about the verbs. I will give you some grammar rules. Okay, if there is needed, I will do some extra explanation. Okay, yek. Az iro bash histakam. Az iro bash histakam. Az iro bash histakam. Az iro bash histakam. Iro. So iro is today. Iro. Iro is today. We have chef, which is tonight. And we have sal. It's this year. Okay. Iro, chef, sal. And the verb is hiskren, to feel. Okay. As histakam, to histiki, au histike. The second sentence is as pecheki wastiayime. As pecheki wastiayime. So we have some synonyms for wastiai. Wastiai is tired. Batali is tired in some cities. Qafliyai also. And in Bahdini, mandi. These four words are tired. As wastiayime, as batalime, as qafliyayime, or as mandime. And picheki means a little, and the opposite of picheki is galeki. As galeki wastiayime, oh, very tired. Okay, galeki. And for galeki, we have some synonyms, per or zaf. So these are also very much. Okay. Third one, say. As amademe. Yes, I'm ready. So amademe. So as amademe, for super. And if you use hazir, as hazirim, I'm ready also used. Okay. As hazirim, as amademe, I'm ready. Okay, the fourth one, as hinna hazirim. As hin hazirim. So hin is actually still, but when it is with a negative sentence, it can be yet. Okay, so I'm not ready yet as hin hazirim. And we have some synonyms for hin. So hin or hinji, he or heji. So we can say, to heji, really, are you still here? Are you still here? Okay, so these are still or yet depending on the situation and context. Okay, as hinna hazırım. Bench as bıkalacanime. As bıkalacanime. So bıkalacani excited. As bıkalacanime. As bıkalacanime. And to say I am bored, there are two sentences. As عاجزدبم. So عاجزدبم, it's a very strange verb because it can be to be bored or to get angry. Okay? So if you say, I mean, if there's a fighting and you see some people are getting angry, you can say عاجزنبه. Okay, but when kids are like at home and they don't know what to do, as عاجزتهم as شبكم as عاجزتهم. Okay, and the second sentence بهنا من تنقدبه, it's to be bored, not getting angry. Okay, بهنا من تنقدبه. So بهنا من تنقدبه, it's a very nice word because tank is narrow. Okay, تنقبون when something to get to become narrow. Okay, to get become narrow, and the be is the noun form, it's breath. So my breath is getting narrow. So I am bored. But actually, if there is a fighting, arguing, discussing, and if you say behna man tangdebe, it can mean I am little by little getting angry. Okay? Behna man tangdebe. Yes. O heft as نخوشم. As نخوشم. So be careful. When na is written together with خوش, it is sick. But if you say as نخوشم, it means I'm not nice. As نخوشم. Okay, so you see when it is negative of nice, there is a gap. As نخوشم. But to say sick, as نخوشم. نخوش. نخوش at once. Okay? Oh, Hasht as Naha Basham. I'm okay now. I'm good now. As Naha Basham. As Naha Basham spas. As Naha Basham. As Bashtaram. So this is literally I am better. And if you want to use the verb feeling, you can use as Bashtar histakam. Histakam, this one. As Bashtar histakam. I feel better or I am better. Oh, the 10th one. أسبتشكي خمجينم. خمجين is sad. خمجين. خمجين. أري خمجين. I am a little bit sad. بتشك. If it is very much, as قالك يا خمجين. قالك يا خمجين. Okay. So the next chapter, the next part is simple communication. So you will learn some imperative forms to use in your daily life, which are very useful. So listen to me. How do we say listen to me? Listen to me. Lemon gohdari bka. Lemon to me gohdari bka. Or gohe khob daman. Give me your ears. Gohe khob daman. Gohe khob daman. Okay. Allez, gohe khob daman. Okay. And if you want to say, look at this, leve bnara. So leve bnara or leve meizena. Look at this, okay? So don't forget in present tense. Like in present tense, in future, with models like where we use present stem, the object should be in oblique form. That's why here we have the in oblique form, not لعب بنار. Okay, no, so it should be in oblique form. That's why لفي بنار لفي ميزانة. And if you want to see the infinitive forms, lose something نيرين, to look at something, or نيرين, lose something ميزاندن. Okay, both are to look at something. لفي ميزانة لفي بنارة. لمن ميزانة. Look at me. لمن ميزانة. Okay. Says that جمنر ببيجة or ببيجة من. Tell me. So here we have the verb goten. Goten is to say, to tell. Okay, goten. I'm sure you know من goten. I said to tell and saying. So if you put your indirect object after verb, you don't need any preposition. ببيجة من, ببيجة we, tell him, ببيجة we, tell her, ببيجي بافي خو, tell your father. But if you want to use the indirect object before the verb, you need a preposition, and it is je tatatan tre goten. Je tatatan tre goten. To tell someone. Okay? Je من رببيجة, جوي رببيجة, جوان رببيجة. And just for you to have an idea, in spoken language, with this verb, the imperative B drops. Okay? I don't know why, but it's just because to make it shorter probably. So you will hear beja. Beja, 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 beja. Rast beji, beja. Darao beji, beja. This is a song, very nice. It's from Juan Hajo. I'm sure you know Juan Hajo. Juan Hajo, our famous singer. And this song is called Beja, beja. Tell. Beja, 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 rast beji, beja, darau beji, beja, 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 shtahazdikem. Okay, so if you hear without b, that's not totally normal, just spoken language, b drops. But when we write bebeja in grammar books, in books, in written language, you will see bebeja. وفهمت؟ Okay, çardah, jemin beperse. So here, the verb is persin, to ask. And when you say ask me, ask him, ask her, you need je, someone, je tatatant, persin, to ask someone. Okay? So how do you say ask her? Ask her. I don't know, ask her. How do you say? Jouer beperse. Okay, jouer beperse. Don't forget, if there is a preposition like je, be, le, or jure, bebore, or jure, or bere, you use oblique pronouns, which are men, je men ra, je tara, ويرة و ما وون, not جأز. Never say جأز ببرزة. No, جمن ببرزة. Okay? Answer me. Answer me. You. Okay. برسوا من بده or جوابا من بده. Literally, give my answer or yeah, give my answer. Give me. So برسv or جواب, it's answer. Okay? So جوابا من بده, برسوا من بده. Answer me. And if you want to say, don't worry, غمان نخوة. So this is a very strange structure. Not structure, but the meaning is strange. So غم is grief, okay? Grief. And when we say غمان نخوة, actually you say, don't eat griefs. Like, yeah, so don't eat griefs, don't worry. Okay, and I'm sure you know when we say نغمة, it's no problem, no worry. And if you say نغمة منه, it means I don't care, like it's not my worry, I don't care, I don't worry. نغمة منه. Okay, so غم, the word grief is a feminine word. غم. Don't forget جبير نكا. جبير نكا. So what is the infinitive form? جبير كرن. Don't forget جبير نكا. جبير نكا. And if you want to say, remember this. Ve, it's object. Bina birakhwa. Bina birakhwa. Birakhwa. So here, be careful. Bir is memory, okay? So birakhwa. It's here is afe, right? Birakhwa. But the word beer, bira, oh, it's beer, okay? It's a feminine word, so if you want to say yo beer, it will be bira ya hua. Okay, so just Be careful. Bira, biraya. Try again. Disa بجربينه. Disa بجربينه. Disa بجربينه. Disa. And if you want to say be careful. Be careful. Baldarbe. 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 Je te redivijim. Baldarbe. Okay, and the next part is social interaction. Come here. Wherever. So in Kurmanji, indirect object like destinations or to whom, to where, etc. At the very end, wherever. Come. Beboren. Forgive me. Oh, pregnancy. Okay, whatever, come here. However, go there. So be careful. Ver, here. Were, there. Were, w, ver. Runa, Runa, Runa. It's from Runisten. Oops. Runisten. Sit down. So in the present as Ruden, I am sitting down. In the past as Runishtam. Okay? Present past. Rabe. So you know this verb is rabun, which is getting up, standing up. Okay? Rabun. I don't know why I feel so sleepy. So it's rabun. Rabun, to stand up, get up. Okay? Rabe. And if you want to say follow me, min bishopina or badadumen. Min bishopina. Wait here. Liver بسكنة. As Tim, I'm coming. Liver بسكنة. Wait here. Join us. بشتري مببة. تv المببة. Don't be late. Okay. Call me. تلفوني من بكى. The common one. تلفوني من بكى. And اللي من بقالة. So, the story of this verb is quite strange, like linguistically. So, it comes from where? Lemon bagara. So, this is actually the meaning is from Turkish. So, in Turkish, there is a verb, okay, aramak. So, this verb, it's to look for. But after invention of phone, it means to call as well. Okay. And in Kurmanji, lure someone garin. It's to look for. So since all Kurdish speakers, not all, but most of Kurdish speakers, Kurmanji speakers, know Turkish, so they translated, I mean, after invention of phone, after getting phone, they started to use this verb like garin as to call, as in Turkish. So that's why if you hear lemon bagara, it's like look for me and call me. It's because of Turkish thinking. Okay, but telefoni min baka, super. And one of my friends, she's from Bengal. They say teli min baka. Call me teli min baka. Like the short form of telephony. Allez. Ou text me. Je m'enre benevisa. Okay, je m'enre benevisa. And C 30 خبري بدمن. Let me know. خبري بدمن. Literally give me the news. خبري بدمن. Let me know. And the next part, it says everyday situations. Here you will learn speaking about your daily habits, let's say. So I am working. Askardakum as دخبتم, as دشغلم. These three are possible. There are, and we have some other forms as well, like as sholdicum. Yeah, as sholdicum is also I'm working. Studying, دخوينم. As دخوينم, as دخوينم, as دخوينم. I'm resting. As بهنا خوددم or vedidem. Or as خود رجلكم. As خود رجلكم means I am lying down, but it's referring resting. Okay? As خود رجلكم. I'm sleeping as radikavim, as radism. As radikavim, as radism. I feel sleepy. As shiyardabim, I am waking up or I wake up. As shiyardabim. As shiyardabim, as shiyardabim. I am cooking. As خواردنێ چێ دەکەم. As خواردنێ چێ دەکەم. As خواردنێ چێ دەکەم. As پاقژیێ دەکەم. As پاقژیێ دەکەم. I'm cleaning. So you may know as پاقژ دەکەم. I clean. So if you are going to use as پاقژ دەکەم, you need the object. You are cleaning what? As ماسەیە خۆ پاقژ دەکەم. As ماڵە خۆ پاقژ دەکەم. As pencereyan پاقش دکم. But if it is just I am cleaning without object, as پاقجیه دکم. I am doing cleaning. Okay, پاقجی is the noun form. Like the noun پاقجی, cleaning. As لتیویه تماشا دکم. As لتیویه تماشا دکم. As لموزیک گهداری دکم. As لموزیک گهداری دکم. او as تلفون خو بکارتینم. So as بکارتینم I use, I am using. As تلفون خو بکارتینم. As تلفون خو بکارتینم. Okay, we had 40 sentences so far. So last 10 sentences, practical useful phrases. I want this. از وی دخوازم. از وی دخوازم. از وی دخوازم. As وی نخوازم. I don't want it. As وی نخوازم. Okay, as وی نخوازم. So وی can be I don't want it or I don't want that. Okay, both. كيف من جيرته. كيف من جيرته. I like it. كيف من جيرته. كيف تجي جيرته. Do you also like it? كيف من جيرناي. I don't like it. كيف من جيرناي. كيف من جيرناي. Geleki Basha, it's very good. Geleki Basha. So don't forget, in Kurmanji, if you have a noun sentence, and if your subject is not only for noun sentences, but in any sentence in present, you can drop your pronoun, like subject, in Kurmanji. So, أو Geleki Basha, it's not wrong, but Geleki Basha is more common, more natural, more native. Geleki Basha. Like in English, you say it's cold, but in Kurmanji, say Sare without it. Sare, Germe, Khoshe, Basha. Okay? Ne Basha, not good. It's not good. And here, أو بس or just بس. That's enough. بس. And if you want to say بتني بتشكي, so someone is asking you, تو نان دخوازي, do you want bread? بتني بتشكي, just a little. Oh, it's too much. زيدية. از نكارم بخوم, I cannot eat it. زيدية. And the last one, راستا. تو راستا بيجي. راستا. وفهمك. Ciao. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget clicking the like button with your comment and with your subscription. So let's meet in the next video. Until next video, take care و روجاوه ایواراوه بمینه خوش بخاطره. Goodbye.